Hello woodworkers. We would like to introduce you to our classical Wadkin Bursgreen industrial radial arm crosscut saw, a perfect crosscut for every workshop within the woodworking industry. The crosscut dimensions are 1200mm width by 1300mm deep by 1600mm height, with a strong 6 horsepower motor. Let us show you the main features on this robust crosscut. The control panel is conveniently located on the front of the machine, fitted with an emergency stop button. The saw head stays locked in position until the safety lever is depressed, allowing smooth travel through any species of timber. This is the safety lever mechanism along with the return spring assembly. The work table size is 1220mm width by 820mm deep, which gives you plenty of support for your timber. Fitted with scissor guards and an adjustable nose guard for extra safety. The nose guard is manually adjusted dependent on the thickness of material. Shown here is the rise and fall handle and the option to rotate the saw head from 90 degrees to 45-degree cuts. The machine has 2 extraction outlets of 100mm each. The saw blade specification is 400mm diameter with a 30mm bore, ideal for cross-cutting various species of timber. You have options to fit in-feed and out-feed tables to accompany this machine. The 2 meters in-feed table has rollers fitted to help position the material up to the 3 meter out-feed table flip-over stops. 2 flip-over stops are supplied with this option. Thank you for watching. If you need any more information, please click on the link below. This is AMS, your woodworking service company. Goodbye.